The lady doesn't want to get off the trailer today. Come on, Ocean Commotion. Okay, it's a long trek to the estuary mouth. I'm not going to complain, but I'm not 16 years old anymore. So I'm allowed to make the observation. Okay, Ocean Commotion is ready for the push. Let's get all the cameras activated. Extend the monopod. That's a push for Ocean Commotion. The 2V6 200 has started. Look at that view. Stuart's pushing away. It's a nice lip over here. Let's just move a little bit out of. Move a little bit out of the next boat's race. It's going to be 50, so I can move to the middle. Okay. Stuart is basically idling through this hill. And he's pushing. He's got it through the mid-brake. Closing up a little bit in front of him, but he's turning south. Yo, what a beautiful launch, Stuart! Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Next one to be pushed. Lunacy. Push there, Wiseman. Lunacy is floating nicely. Zahn is on the power. Where's he going? Not far at the moment. Pushing for the mid-brake. Standing up ugly on his shoulder. He got over it very nicely. Jaluka, your tracker maak geraas hier so man. Werk. Wow, beautiful. Done is on. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Next one on the launch pad is Vettie. Wiseman waiting it out, making sure that he gets the skipper the best opportunity. Edging Vettie closer to the water. The push. Yo, it's a beautiful sunrise here. Nice going, Vettie. Closing up a little bit. Now you found the gap around it. Well done, sir. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Rub-a-dub-dub! That's a push for rub-a-dub-dub. I mean Stok Styf. Wiseman, make sure he's putting him in deep. Oh, now the port side motor doesn't want to trim down. Off the starboard side. Is that our mouthwash? Yes! Nice in the face! Oh dear, motors are stripped down luckily. And he's got the 240 egg beaters on the go there. Oh well, that was just a refreshing spray over for you guys. Happy hunting! And that's full thrust! I was almost run over by them. Motor trimmed down. 290s on the back of 19.6 Hellcat. That's going to be a nice jump. Well done. Oh, another nice jump. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Maverick been pushed. That's a push for Maverick. Josh has got his timing right, he's found his gap, he's running for it. It's a beautiful launch shot this morning. It's actually very, very easy, comfortable. Yo, that was a nice one. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. That's a push for Jaluka. That's a nice splash over coming for them there. Not too bad. Nose is there intact. Yes, look at that 19.6 with the 2115 with counter rotating props fly. Well done, Jaluka. Happy hunting. Almost. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Cona Cruiser is a Raptor 660. There's a fish. Wiseman caught a fish. And Cona Cruiser is floating. Now the fish is gone, Wiseman. Oh well. And he's on the power. He's got a gap through the mid brake. Oh, what a beautiful launch is here this morning. Well done, Cona Cruiser. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Cat 800 being pushed. Tella III. Beautiful vessel, beautiful sunrise. Wiseman is rushing them through here, one after the other. Nicely, nice gap there, Cona Cruiser. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. I'm dead serious, I'll show you the video. Look at the undercarriage. Wiseman is mowing Poseidon's lawn. This is crazy. That's a push for Sea Angel. Werner, jy pa sê ek moet vir jou sê groete. Hy's lekker hier in die warm Suid-Afrika en jy sit daar in Engeland. Oh, Sea Angel scooped up a lot of water there. Another ugly one washing in. And the boat is arriving, yeah, and he got over that one nicely. He had a bad hand, but he dealt with it well. Standing in front of that one. Just look at the sun. He's going south. Hey, that's a big one. Oh, he got over it nicely. Well done, Willem. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Lunacy, the next one on the launch pad. And that's a push for Lunacy. Wiseman delivers him nice and deep. Yeah, we had a spectacular sunrise here this morning, guys. It was incredible. See, the owner of Lunacy is now skipping the vessel himself today. Nicely over that one. Yo, that's a gentleman of note. He's turning away from that one. Up and over. Very calmly done, sir. Fantastic. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Spirit offloading there. Nice and tidy and neat offload. A push for Aqua Joy. Wiseman is edging him closer to the water's edge. 2406 King Cat by Z-Craft. Two 154 stroke Yamahas on the back. Getting ready to push. Nice push there, Wiseman. The King Cat is floating nicely. Run, Aqua Joy, run! He's got his throttle control right, that young man. Oh, yo, that was unnecessary. Ah, but they got it right through the saddle there. One more. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Next one on the launch pad is Free Spirit 1 with Walter Leibrand. Just moving out of the way for Free Spirit 2 here. Okay, that's a push for Free Spirit 1. He didn't get a nice hand. Look at how the seats is closing up in front of him. But he's going to wait them out, and then when it's flat, he's going to make a run for it. He's going to make a U-turn for us. Poseidon angry with Walter? Look at those sets closing up. Yes. Walter ry hom soos 'n skiewie. Down this gap. And he's running for it, but it's closing up in front of him. Yes. Poseidon is not talking nice to Walter today. I hope he fills his hatches with great catches. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Next, the next one on the launch pad. And Vyf dancer pulling in on her shoulder. It's a push for Climax. Yo, nice throw dumper there, Wiseman. To 204 stroke Yamahas. I don't know if those are V6s or not. They could be. I went and I did some reading up on the counter-rotating props. Somebody left a comment and say any motor can have counter-rotating props, just put it in reverse. No, apparently the gearbox is designed differently. You can't just put the motor in reverse. You have to have a counter-rotating gearbox to have counter-rotating props. And Suzuki has now got a new technology out where from 150 upwards all the motors can be bi-directional. The vessel looks beautiful with that outriggers on. I just can't see everything clearly. The sun is directly in my eyes. And I can't buy my Snowbee sunglasses yet. I'm waiting for it here now, but anyway. Johan is on the power. The CCAT 800 from Yamaha is running for the mid-brake, which disappeared all of a suddenly. Beautiful launch, Johan. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. The two. Next one coming down the launch pad. Captain Sky could see her. See Thomas is the deckhand today, so I don't know where Sean is. That's a push for Free Spirit 2. Floating nicely. Sky found his gap. He's just going to have to get over that one. He's going to go south. Made up a beautiful gap there south. Look at that vessel go. Well done, Sky. the last one. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Vyf Ster, next one being pushed. Current starting is 2 4 strokes there, back of the 660 Fisher series. That's a push for Vyf Ster. Wanted Wiseman to bring him closer, but it's too deep there, Barent. He can't. Just that one there, and Barent is out in the open ocean. Well done, sire. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. That's Vyf Ster being brought closer to the young confiscating phones. That's a push for Wave Dancer, 9.3 meter butt cat to 200 4-stroke. Suzuki's on the back, inline 4 cylinders. Captain Leon Stein. On the power. Nicely done, Captain. Right through the mid brake. What a beautiful launch. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Crazy, look at all the seaweed. It looks like a horror movie.